Hey, what's going on, people? Check it out. So this is a little different than usual, but I figured since the last time I posted something like this, you guys really seem to like it. So I figured why not do it again? But we're going to do it a little bit different. So I'm going to be watching this live and kind of taking you guys through my thought process of my practice routine. So a lot of people ask me, what is going through your mind? What are you thinking about? You know, what's the steps of what you're playing, or what are you using? So I'm going to be talking about all of that live. So I'll stop it in between here and there. I'll try not to stop it too much, but let's see how this goes. So right here, I'm just establishing a bass line. I don't know where that bass line came from. It has a kind of old school vibe to it. Okay, so let me stop right there. Now I'm establishing a melody. Okay, so that kind of stuck out to me. This was all happening live, by the way. This wasn't thought about beforehand. I didn't record this beforehand. I'm literally doing this all live off the top of my head. So that melody kind of stuck out. So I kind of repeated it, and I just wanted to double it up, and that's what I'm doing now. So let's keep going. You guys can see I'm just creating some harmonies on top of that, and it's feeling pretty good right now. We're just going to keep rising that level higher and higher. Let's keep going. So right there, oh, well, actually, I forget to mention, what I'm using is the Clone Looper by MXR. I did a review on it. I'll link it up here somewhere in the cards or down in the description. You can go check that out. Clone Looper, it is a great practice tool. I use it all the time, obviously, as you guys can see. So MXR Clone Looper, and here I'm using some effects. That effect before was the subbing up pedal. I have it an octave higher than the original tone. It goes an octave lower too, but I don't have it there. But I'm doing an octave higher. When I doubled that, I think I use that effect. And then now when I'm soloing, I'm using just the MXR Reverb pedal. Just very, very simple effects, just to add some life, just to add some fun, you know, to the whole piece. So now I'm just doing some little, you know, improvising and adding a couple things here and there. I'll finish it out. I'll let it finish out, and you guys enjoy the rest of the video. So what I did there, I kind of recreated another bass line on top of another bass line. So something else came to my head, and I'm like, okay, so now this kind of feels a little bit better. The syncopation and the rhythm, you know, that kind of felt a little bit better to me than the original bass line, or it felt good to play on top of it. So I just tried it out. Anyway, I'll try not to stop it too much more. Let's play. So as you guys can see, that's my practice routine from day to day. I do different things or different elements, but I like to end it or start it off with a looping session, just kind of creating a groove. That's what it's all about in the end, or at the end of the day. It's having fun with the music, being able to create, being able to play. And this kind of simulates playing with a band or playing with other people. You kind of creating different elements, the drums, the percussion, the guitar, the melodies, the chords. I didn't do any chords, I don't think, here on this one, but it just felt good to play, and just getting in that groove, just practicing real-time playing and being able to feel the music. So that's part of my practice routine. Again, if you guys like this, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down. Either way, let me know what you think. I'll try to do more of these videos if you guys want them. Also, if you're new here and you haven't subscribed to the channel, hit that red subscribe button below next to the like button. Sorry about that. Next to the like button, and subscribe. Also, if you guys want to dive deeper into your bass playing and just take it to that next level, Bass Nation Academy is where it's at. You'll get more access to me. I get feedback on your videos. You can upload them. There's a whole community. There's lessons. There's live stream classes. You get PDF file downloads, as well as access to interviews with different bass players, great bass players around the world. I sometimes have them come inside the academy and teach alongside me. It's always great to have another point of view, because everybody doesn't learn the same. Anyway, that's just the tip of the iceberg. But if you're interested in that, the link will be in the description. BassNationAcademy.com. Start a 3-day free trial. Each month is only $10 a month. So check it out if that fits you or that sounds good to you, and I'll see you there. So make sure your notes are coming out clean, clear, and precise, like I say all the time, and